Task 4. Listen and read. Послухай та прочитай. А. Довгий звук А. Можна підписати олівцем. Farm, party, car, art. Широко розкривши рот. Fat, rabbit, mutts. U. New, music, computer, Tuesday. Bird, bird, 13, birthday, Thursday. Wednesday. On Wednesday, the children go to school on Wednesday. They have got English on Wednesdays. Bill's timetable: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are 7 days of the week. Bill and his friends go to school 5 days a week. They have got maths, English, sport, reading, art, and music at school. This is their timetable.